What's up, comrades? In this tutorial we're going to be creating a distorted drum and bass sub. The preset is in the description box below. So starting with the oscillators, we're going to select the squish flange filter. And we're going to turn down the pitch to -24. We're going to turn the phase randomization percent down to 0. We're also going to click on this drop down menu here, and we can select the phase disperse. We can also map the LFO1 to the phase disperse. And we're going to go over to the matrix here, and we're just going to click on these little arrows right here. We can then change the LFO rate to 1/8 notes. And we can adjust the amount of the modulation. Next, we're going to go over to oscillator 2, and we're going to change the pitch to -24. We're going to go over to basic shapes, and we're going to select the square wave. Moving over to the filter section, we're going to go with an analog 24 dB filter. The resonance you can actually adjust to your liking. We can turn down the cutoff to about here. And then we're going to make sure that oscillator 2 is going through the filter. Then we're going to go over to the envelope section. We're going to adjust the sustain a little bit, and we're going to turn up the attack as well. Then we're going to modulate the envelope to the filter cutoff. We're going to turn the amount down. We can also adjust the cutoff a little bit more. Next, we're going to go over to the effects section. We're going to keep it pretty minimal. We're just going to add some distortion. We're also going to modulate the drive as well. Turn down the amount. And that's basically how you get the sound. Feel free to use this as a template to then sculpt the sound to your liking. If you like this tutorial, feel free to check out more and subscribe. You can also leave a comment down for any requests for tutorials you'd like to see. Until next time.